In the aftermath of the 7.8 magnitude earthquake that struck Mindanao on June 8, our personnel continue to demonstrate the PNP standard of public service. Across affected communities, police officers remain on the ground, assisting in relief operations, securing evacuation centers and critical facilities, helping maintain public order, and supporting the delivery of essential services. Amid uncertainty and hardship, we showed compassion in action and reaffirmed that the PNP remains a dependable partner of the people in times of crisis. Ang inyong malasakit, dedikasyon at sakripisyo ay tunay na diwa ng paglilingkod bayan.